Chinese ambassador to Guyana, Guo Haiyan, handed over the HPV and cervical cancer screening equipment to Minister of Health Dr. Frank Anthony on Friday. The US $100,000 in equipment was donated by the Chinese Medical Brigade through the People's Republic of China. It is aimed at boosting Guyana's fight against cervical cancer, the most prevalent type of cancer among women. In his remarks at the handed-over ceremony, Minister of Health Dr. Frank Anthony said through the donation, the public health sector will now be able to introduce HPV testing.
We have in our hands the means of eliminating cervical cancer from Guyana. And that is really to use HPV vaccines. Unfortunately, our coverage for HPV vaccination is still relatively low. So one of the things that we want to do this year is to have an aggressive program where we can roll out HPV vaccination. So we want to make sure that every one of our health centers would be able to give HPV vaccination. We want to be able to capture this very early so that we can do more preventative care rather than the curative aspect.
Ambassador Haiyan said the equipment can serve as a useful supplement to the cervical cancer screening program that is being implemented in Guyana.
Cervical cancer is the most common gynecological malignant tumor, but it can be detected early and treated early so as to reduce the incidence and mortality.
Chief Executive Officer of the Georgetown Public Hospital, Robbie Rembrandt, said China's government has been a long-standing partner to Guyana. He noted that they have supported the country's healthcare system in areas such as training and capacity building. Reporting for the newsroom, Sharda Bacchus.